So that's full of whitebait. That is full of mackerel. You see them swimming there?
From in there into the bucket to the station, into the pan, in my belly.
Good evening, YouTube. I've climbed half a mile along the rocks. This is my first cast. Let's see what we can winkle out. Good morning! Yeehaw! We are out on the new boat. Here we go. The moment of truth. Oh, it's working. Oh, that looks mint. That looks so cool.
Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Oh.
Yeah.
It's sticking.
Look at that.
Can I touch it? It's all taped
It's wet.
Whoa. That.
First fishing trip on the new boat. The rods are set. The sun is just coming up and we are the two happiest fucking dudes on the planet right now. We're going to catch some fish hopefully, watch the sunrise, and it's going to be great. Here we go. Look at that. There you go, mate. Important to check your drag in case you hook something decent. I'm just going to stiffen mine slightly. Letting it sink, sweeping it up, letting it sink back. Quite often you'll find that the fish will hit it on the drop as it's fluttering down. Joker 40 gram. Super fry thin. Here we are in the cuddy, cruising at 22, heading offshore. Not as calm as I thought it was going to be, but I think so. Not as calm as I thought it was going to be, but that's why we got a bigger boat. Come out when it's not glass flat, but it is going to glass off. It's going to be a lot calmer later, so we're going to get amongst it, hopefully get a few bass. Oh, something on there, fish on. We've got a tiny, and this is a weird one, we've been catching loads of these. It's a little whiting, baby whiting. Carefully unhook it so I can show you. Never before have I caught these in the summer. Normally whiting are a winter fish. Normally whiting are a winter fish. Catching bigger than this. Chuck him back. That would be killer bass bait. If I could be bothered, I'd rig up a float rod and stick one of those on right by the beach, so it would be madness if I didn't come down for a few flicks just as the sun sets.
These rods are pretty fucking sweet.
Here we are.
Morning.
See the sunrise in the background? Oh, there's a fish. Well, it might be you actually. I just felt something. I just had my first drop. I had a pollock, little one. Got the sun rising in the background. Look at the red of that. And he just hooked something, but it came off. coming up to the wreck now. I'll hook something half decent. It's a good little death dive. I'm guessing it's a pollock. It's coming up. Maybe about 2 or 3 pounds. We'll see. Oh, look at that! Whoa! There she is. Look at that. Beautiful pollock off the wrecks at sunrise. Loving it. This is all out action, every drop.
Oh, we a fighter.
What is it? Jesus Christ. Oh, it's a beautiful bass, mate. Yeah. All the hard work has paid off. The boat, the early ride, look at that. Well done. Stunner. As you can see, it's a beautiful evening. Looking down the coast there towards Barbican Bay. Bell Rock just there, behind me. If you saw that, the fish are jumping in front of me now. Just there. There we go. Oh, hello. Hey. Whatever it is. It's a scrapper. Hey. That's what I'm after. Some fresh eating mackerel. They've just turned up right in front of my feet. There we go. Yes, very nice. Whoa, it's a good one. It's a good one. Look at that. It's a scrap up. Loosen that up a little bit. Oh, it's a dripping line. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Screaming reels. Flipping out. Oh, it's a goer. It's a goer. Oh, it's a good one. Absolute clonker. Look at that. Look at the size of that. They do get bigger towards the end of the summer. Let's have a few more. I don't want 100. It's great sport. Whoa! Oh! Came back for it. Oh, he's come off. Oh, he's back. Surface. Absolutely hammered that on the drop. Another big fat one. Another fat one. Oh, pulled the hook. Trago special. Giant. Oh, dude, the pout. The dreaded pout. Look at that. The lure's nearly as big as it.
Thunder cunt.
Look at that. Look how big the lure is. He said, I'll put this on to get away from the pout.
Yeah, I did put this on to get away from the pout.
Bit of an update. We're now on a different wreck. Not going to mention the name. Caught some fresh mackerel. Been catching lots of pout. It is getting hot. You can see it's an absolute stunner of a day. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful. I'm going to persevere for a little bit longer. This is a nice little surprise. Just motoring back. Found a pod of dolphins. There's one. Hey, hello buddy. Wow. There we go, so moving off. Lovely. Woohoo! Punch it. What a day to be alive.
Arriba.
Go, Ziggy!
Ziggy.